Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make underwater sound effect on mobile using InShot mobile application. Okay, for today's tutorial, we're going to use InShot, and I have opened my InShot application. And first of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created using this InShot. I'm going to open the video, and then this is my project. And if we want to create the underwater sound effect, we can use the voice effect on InShot. Here I have edited my audio, and this is my audio, and then we're going to scroll all the way to the right to find this voice effect and click on this one.
Sound effect on my
You can use this
InShot
effect to
project.
create underwater
I'm
sound
recording.
effect. I'm going to tap on it, and this is the result. I'm going to play it one more time to show you the result. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make underwater sound effect on mobile phone using the InShot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.